Good afternoon all, Matt from UK Carbon Cleaning here. We're just in Dagenham. Weather's a bit better than it was earlier when we were down in Folkestone at Prestige MOT Centre. They've called us in to this client's B7 RS4 just to do a preventative carbon clean service on it. We've recommended our two-stage service, and then the client's actually in for a remap. So our two-stage service is a hydrogen clean, which is going on now, and our injector cleaner, and as I say, I believe it's going on the dyno for mapping afterwards. So we'll be working with these guys a lot more now, having just made an agreement with them. They'll be calling us in whenever a client wants a carbon clean to go alongside their remapping. So remember, Prestige MOT Centre, telephone number 079 8000 4000 for all your tuning requirements in and around the Dagenham area in Essex and London, and us on 01293 769495 for all carbon cleaning, DPF cleaning and diagnostics. Have a great day.